Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all will be safe and fine. Students, today in this video the topic which we are going to study is remaining part of our unit 10, mirrors and lenses. In the previous video, students, we had discussed the various types of images formed by mirrors and lenses. And in this video we will study the uses of mirrors and lenses. So students, first of all we will study the uses of plane mirrors. Invention of the mirror is the great contribution to mankind. We use mirror almost in every place where there is need to look for what is behind us. And students, plane mirror are used as looking glass to see ourselves. So students, light hits an object and light reflects off the object in all directions, hitting the mirror as well. Light rays then reflect off the mirror, and this is what our eyes see. Students, plane mirrors are also used in jewelry shops to make them look bigger. And students, I have told you before that plane mirrors are used to see our appearance. And students, plane mirrors are also used in solar cookers, and solar cooker is a device used to cook food by utilizing the energy radiated by the sun. Students, plane mirrors are also used in periscope. What is periscope? A periscope is an optical instrument that uses mirrors to reflect images through a tube. A periscope is used to see objects which are not in the same level of the observer. And periscope is based on the reflection of light by a plane mirror. A periscope consists of two plane mirror strips fixed at 45 degree to the ends of a long narrow tube. They are parallel to each other, and the observer looking from the below can see the image of the object in the lower mirror. And students, periscopes are used in wars by the soldiers to observe the enemy activities. And periscopes are also used in submarines to see above the water. My dear students, kaleidoscope is a toy consisting of a tube with mirrors and glass that you can turn and create different patterns and color. So plane mirror is also used in kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope works on the principle of reflection of light. It produces beautiful patterns that are used by fashion designers, and it is used as a toy for entertainment. Students, now I will tell you the uses of concave mirror. Concave mirror is also known as converging mirror. So it is used for many purposes. First of all, concave mirror are used in makeup mirrors and shaving mirrors, because concave mirror makes the magnified image. When the mirror is held close to the face, an enlarged image of the skin can be seen. And students, concave mirrors are also used in motor vehicles headlights to send out a strong beam of light. Instead of reflecting an image, they are used to focus the light from the bulb. And concave mirrors are also used in torch and searchlight to reflect the light. Concave mirrors are also used in telescopes. Dentist and ENT doctor use them to obtain a larger image than the original of the teeth, ear or skin. Students, now we will study the uses of convex mirror. Convex mirror is a spherical mirror which is curved outward. Firstly, convex mirrors are used in rear view mirrors of all the vehicles like cars, buses and motorcycles. They give a larger view as compared to the plane mirrors. Okay students? Secondly, convex mirror are used for security purposes in shops because they produce a small, virtual and upright image. Convex mirrors are placed at the intersection of roads to prevent accidents. Students, now we will study the application of lenses in our daily life. First of all, we will study the application of concave lenses, where we use concave lenses in our daily life. Students, concave lens is also known as diverging lens, and it is used as a spy hole in doors where we can see visitor from a small opening. And concave lenses are also used in spectacles or eyeglasses to correct the vision. It cures defects called nearsightedness, where patients can't see the objects far away. And students, concave lenses are also used in cameras to focus on a single object, so we get a clear picture. And concave lenses are also used in telescopes and binoculars to help focus the images more clearly for the viewer. Students, now we will study the application of convex lenses. Students, convex lenses used in microscopes and magnifying glasses to subject all the light to a specific point so things look bigger than they are. It means convex lens magnifies the images. And students, convex lenses are also used in eyeglasses for correcting farsightedness, where patients can't see objects closer to them. And convex lenses are also used in projector as well. And convex lenses are also used in cameras, microscopes. Students, now I am going to stop my lecture, and in the next video, inshallah ta'ala, we will study our new chapter. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.